ExitLag is specialized network optimization software developed exclusively for online gaming. It's important to note that ExitLag is not a VPN. While VPNs add encryption that increases latency, ExitLag uses proprietary multi-routing technology to reduce ping, eliminate packet loss, and stabilize your connection for competitive advantage. Developed by gamers for gamers, ExitLag understands that every millisecond matters. Our technology finds the fastest and most stable routes between you and game servers, ensuring smooth, lag-free gameplay regardless of your location or internet provider quality. How to use ExitLag in online games. ExitLag offers some customization options. You can explore them in the settings menu, but the default settings are usually a good starting point. 1. Download and install. Download the software, exitlag.com/download. Install it following the on-screen instructions. 2. Create an account or login. You'll need an ExitLag account to use the service. You can either create a new account or log in if you already have one. 3. Open ExitLag and find your game. Open the ExitLag app. You'll see a list of supported games. Search for the game you want to improve ping for. 4. Select server region, optional. In some cases, you might be able to choose the specific server region you want to connect to, e.g., US West Coast server for a game. If unsure, leave it on automatic. 5. Analyze and apply routes. Click the Analyze button next to your chosen game. ExitLag will scan for optimal connection routes. Once the analysis is complete, click Apply Routes to activate ExitLag for that game. 6. Launch your game. ExitLag should take care of optimizing your connection in the background. Launch your game as usual and see if you experience a reduction in lag. Advanced ExitLag settings. Automatic versus manual mode. For most players, automatic mode is ideal. ExitLag selects the best routes automatically. Advanced users can choose specific routes manually. Why ExitLag works better than VPNs. Common VPNs were developed for privacy, not gaming. They encrypt all traffic, adding extra processing that increases ping and worsens performance. The goal is to hide your online activity, not optimize speed. ExitLag was developed exclusively for gaming. It uses specialized protocols without unnecessary encryption, focusing only on finding the fastest and most stable routes. The result is reduced ping and optimized connection. Why this matters. VPNs add 20 to 100 milliseconds of extra latency. ExitLag reduces 30 to 70% of existing latency. VPNs use a single route, usually congested. ExitLag uses multiple simultaneous routes with automatic failover. VPNs prioritize encryption over speed. ExitLag prioritizes speed and stability above all.